Find X glass finish looks more complete as it isn't interrupted with the cameras or fingerprint scanner. The volume rockers on the Find X are on the left edge whereas the power button is on the right edge. For connectivity the device has USB-C port, however, it lacks the traditional 3.5mm headphone jack. The Oppo Find X is featuring one of the largest display on any flagship in the market. It sports a 6.42 inches curved display panel with a full HD Plus screen resolution of 1080 x 2340 pixels. It's a Super AMOLED display with a pixels density of 403 pixels per inch. Oppo managed to put such gigantic display by reducing the bezels to the extreme. The Find X screen-to-body ratio is 93.8% with none bezels on 3 edges except the bottom side. The Corning Gorilla Glass 5 is protecting the display from accidental drops. On the other, the iPhone X also have a bezel-less design but it isn't close to Find X in terms of screen-to-body ratio. The iPhone X has a 5.8 inches OLED display panel with a full HD Plus screen resolution of 1125 x 2436 pixels. Due to the smaller display, its aspect ratio is better at 458 pixels per inch. The devices have dual cameras set up on the rear side. The iPhone X has dual 12MP modules. The primary sensor has f/1.8 aperture whereas the secondary sensor is a zoom lens with up to 2x optical zoom. The primary sensor has optical image stabilization and it can record 4K videos. Up front the selfie camera is 7MP. On the other hand, the Find X has dual sensors of 16MP plus 20MP. Both the sensors' aperture size are f/2.0. The dual sensors are accompanied with dual LED flashlight. Up front, the selfie camera is 25MP with f/2.0 aperture. Undoubtedly on paper, the Find X is a better option. The camera integration on both the devices is different which makes things quite interesting. The iPhone X dual rear sensors are placed vertically on the top left corner whereas the Oppo Find X cameras are not visible. Both rear and front camera sensors will pop up once you open your camera app. A complete setup of camera sensors and LED flashlight will pop out from the top to capture images which are quite speedy and looks amazing. However, in this case, both the iPhone X and Oppo Find X lacks the fingerprint scanner, instead both have 3D facial recognition as a primary security feature. Apple 3D facial recognition tech is dubbed as Face ID whereas Oppo facial tech is dubbed as O-Face. The O-Face tech using infrared sensor and selfie camera to 3D map users' face, unlocking the device.